So guys, once you're on Steam, in the top left, you want to click on Steam. Now you want to click on Settings. And now once we're here, you want to go to the Controller tab. Now you want to select Show Advanced Settings. You want to find the controller that's not working for you, such as Xbox controller, PlayStation, generic controller or Switch controller. You want to enable it. So enable Steam input for your controller. For example, if I'm using an Xbox controller, I'm going to enable Steam input for my Xbox controller. See if that works. If that's still not working, then just turn it off. You could also scroll down. It's going to be saying Force Update all connected controllers. You want to click on Start. It's now going to start running that for you. Once that's been done, see if that works for you. If you're using an Xbox controller, you can try to install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver. So click on Install and you want to install that. See if that works. If you already do have it installed, then you can try uninstalling it. You could also unplug your controller from your computer and then plug it back in again. Another thing you can try is you want to right click on your game and then click on Properties. Now you want to select Controller. Click on the drop down and then try both Disable Steam Input and Enable Steam Input. So just try both these settings. See if that works. You can also check if your controller itself is the problem. Go to Google and then type in Gamepad Tester. And then just go to anyone here. You want to connect your controller and then start pressing on the buttons. And if it detects your controller, then this is a good sign. You could just follow through the buttons, see if it's all being detected or not. If your controller is not being detected, then your controller may be broken. Or if it's a wired controller, you can replace the cable. So try using a different cable. If your controller is running on battery, make sure that you have the batteries all charged up. And yeah, hopefully this will work for you.